Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today we are going to be replacing the blower motor for the module box right here. So I don't know if you guys remember a few videos ago when I did the stop lamp switch, there was a code for excessive temperature of the control modules. So I'm going to take out the blower motor for that, and then I am going to test it, and then I'm going to replace it. Okay, the blower motor, as you can see, fits way back behind the module box, and you can see there's two 10mm nuts, and there's a hose clamp there, there's a hose clamp in the bottom, and the connector is right there for it. So we're going to get that out of there. I've already loosened up the hose clamps, and I'm going to get that out. I don't want to be struggling with that on camera, but a little word to the wise, that bottom hose clamp right there, see how it's pretty snug in there, pretty tight, there's not a lot of room to get in there. When you take that out, I suggest flipping that hose clamp over to where the tightening screw is on this side, is on the left side, where there's not really much in the way, and you can get a 7mm in there or a really stumpy screwdriver to get that out. So, as you can see, that hose right there, that comes from inside the vehicle. That little elbow right there, so that sucks in cooler air from inside the vehicle, and it blows it through this hose right here that goes to the side of the module box. Alright, so old one, new one. There's your part number right there. As you can tell, this has been sitting on the shelf for quite a while. I believe this is one of two that were left in the country, so there's probably only one left in the whole US now. And this, I believe, was about $100. Here we are, new one, old one. There's the part number that's on the bottom of that. Same part number. And as you can see, it is just a really tiny itty bitty baby blower motor. It's like a small version of the one that's in the car. Almost looks like a turbo. Little tiny one though. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, so now we have 12 volts coming from a battery, and we're going to see if it works. Yeah, remember, brown, ground, red, positive. Nothing. All right, let's try the new one. All right, here's the new one. Let's connect it. Oh, look, it works. Flows a little bit of air, not a ton, but this one actually works. Alrighty, let's get it installed. Okay, like I recommended before, you want to take that hose clamp right there and flip it around just like that. Make getting to it a little easier. I also want to recommend using a small amount of lube on this end. It'll make your life a lot easier trying to get it back on that hose down there. And there we are, back installed. Connector goes right there. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and hit the notification icon so you get a notification when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.